Hi guys, it's me again, Riza, your digital product seller. For today, we were going to do the thank you page or the PDF file that the customer will receive or download after they purchase your digital product from Etsy. So let's create our thank you page by going to our Canva account. You can create your thank you page from scratch, pero pwede rin kayong gumamit ng pre-made templates. Just search thank you page and then pumili kayo ng template na gusto nyo. So here are the three things that you want to include in your thank you page. First, of course, thank your customer for their purchase. Second, the template link of your digital product. I will show you how to do that. And then third, you can ask them for their review if they are happy with their purchase. And this is how you get your template link. Go to your digital product, open it, click share, and then sa baba, hanapin nyo yung word na template link, click it, and then lalabas create your template link, click it, and then copy the link, go back to your thank you page, and then paste it there. And after that, make sure to download this thank you page as a PDF file. And that's it. Let's see how it works. So now let's prepare the content of our listing, which includes the title, the description, and the tags. The tags should be maximum of 13 tags and make sure na i-maximize natin yon. So what we're going to do is let's open or go to the competitors. You can actually get an idea from the competitors listing. Make sure hindi nyo i-copy as in copy paste. Make sure that the first three words ng title nyo is yung main keyword ng digital product nyo. Take note that the title should be at 140 maximum characters. And then, sa description naman, yes, pwede rin tayong kumuha ng idea from the competitor's description. And then, I actually use ChatGPT para ma-personalize ko yung description na yun at maging organized siya. And make sure to put everything important sa description, such as the instruction on how to use or how to get the digital product template. And of course, the rest is up to you. Sa tags naman, pagsamasamahin nyo lang yung important tags from the competitors. Mamili lang kayo ng maximum of 13 tags. FYI, I use Everbee para makita yung tags ng competitors and it is completely free. And that's it. Meron na tayong thank you page, the title, description, and the 13 keyword tags na gagamitin natin sa pag-create natin ng listing on Etsy. So, see you again on the next video. Gagawa na tayo ng Etsy store. Hello guys, if you want to purchase my ebook bundle on how to sell digital products, it includes a lot of digital products such as printables, Canva templates, and journals, planners na may private label rights. All you need to do is to rebrand it and pwede nyo na siyang ibenta agad sa Etsy. So, if you want to get that, make sure to message me on my social media platform.